Day after day, hard work calls. The demands of fulfilling duties, putting plans in motion, keeping the operations operating, require the drive to persist and prevail under any and all conditions. And when you've got to dig deep to get the job done, you need reliable equipment that's just as tough as you are. To accomplish the mission and see it through, UWS supplies USA-assembled truck toolboxes and accessories for the hard worker and truck enthusiast in you that pushes past the limits of simply remaining average. UWS, the worker's dream for storage solutions that are made with quality, built tough, and designed to exceed your greatest expectations.